Today is World Tourism Day. Eswatini, together with other countries, celebrated the day. This day was celebrated with the Minister of Tourism, Moses Vilakazi, at Project Canaan today. The Minister of Tourism in the Kingdom, Honorable Moses Vilakazi, in his speech stated that even with COVID-19, Swazis should look at other options to promote tourism in the Kingdom.
Tisisite kakhulu kungabo ngisho umkhombandlela welive wabona kusite kuvakasha adibe ngilamanye alango matiko langabambisa live ikakhulu kute wakha emathuba emisebenzi kuqashwe abantu live liyembili. Siyadibongela ke bekunene kuthi namhla sesithole ukuthi naleta ka agriculture dingayibambisa lete kuvakasha. Itolo besibuka temasiko kakhulu sibuka naletinye leminye imidlalo kepha ngekuthi kubonakele ukuthi netekulima kunengi letingakwenda uma sebefikile labantu la sebangathi ukuthi awu licanza alitholakala efridge kodwa lisuke enkukhwini sebangathi ukuthi lubisi alusuke efridge kodwa lisuke engomeni kulamanye mave kuleti taka agriculture baze babentele ukuthi bakuvune lokulapha bese bayakudla ngalegcineni ngikona ke lokwenta ukuthi leti tekulima tibe ingcenye yalete kuvakasha.
UNDP representative Rose Sepatindira stated that COVID-19 has greatly affected the tourism industry.
Until the COVID-19 struck tourism, tourism was one of the world's largest and fastest growing industries and a major source of income for many countries. The engine of our economies, it created jobs, attracted foreign investment, drove development of critical infrastructure, and promoted trade across multiple sectors. Most importantly, it promoted inclusive economic growth and social mobility, hence the theme of this year's commemoration, Tourism for Inclusive Growth.
Reporting for Maswati Channel, I am Nonhlanhla Twala in a report compiled by Gary Carlos at sigcineni.